In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Capitec confirmation letter, quick and easy guide 2025. Getting a Capitec confirmation letter in 2025 is a straightforward process, and you don't need to visit the bank physically to obtain it. A confirmation letter is often used as proof of your Capitec account details, usually required for things like job applications, financial verifications, or setting up debit orders. The quickest way is through the Capitec Bank app. Once logged in, go to the menu and select Explore or Documents depending on your app version. There you'll find an option for Bank Confirmation Letter. Tap it, and the system will automatically generate a PDF version with your official account details, including your account number, branch code, and your name. You can then choose to download it to your phone, email it directly, or share it via WhatsApp or any other app. If you don't have access to the Capitec app, you can also use internet banking. After logging in on your desktop or mobile browser, head to the Documents section and request the confirmation letter. It works the same way. It will generate an official PDF that you can download and use immediately. For clients who prefer going in person, Capitec branches can also print the confirmation letter on the spot. All you need is your ID and account number, and the teller will issue it within minutes. This process is completely free, whether you generate it online or request it at a branch. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.